Why ergonomics matter for remote tech work.
Ergonomics is essential for remote tech jobs. A well-designed workspace protects against discomfort, pain, and long-term health issues. It boosts concentration, energy, and productivity by supporting your body's natural alignment. Investing time in an ergonomic setup is an investment in your well-being and career, helping you stay focused and comfortable throughout your workday.
Selecting the right desk and chair.
Choose a desk that offers enough space for your computer, keyboard, and essential accessories. Opt for a chair with adjustable height, lumbar support, and comfortable padding. Your feet should rest flat on the floor with your knees at roughly a 90-degree angle. Prioritize adjustability to personalize your setup for your body and daily needs.
Optimizing monitor and keyboard placement.
Position your monitor directly in front of you, about an arm's length away. The top of the screen should be at or slightly below eye level to avoid neck strain. Keep your keyboard and mouse close, so your elbows stay near your sides and form about a 90-degree angle, minimizing tension in your wrists and shoulders.
Incorporating movement and good habits.
Even with an ergonomic setup, regular movement is vital. Stand up, stretch, and walk briefly every hour. Use reminders to avoid long periods of sitting. Pay attention to your posture, keeping your back straight and shoulders relaxed. Setting healthy habits helps prevent stiffness, fatigue, and repetitive strain injuries over time.
Lighting and environment considerations.
Good lighting reduces eye strain and improves focus. Use natural light when possible and supplement with adjustable lamps. Avoid glare on your screen by positioning your workstation perpendicular to windows. Maintain a comfortable room temperature and minimize distractions to create a workspace that supports both your health and productivity.
Continuous improvement for long-term comfort.
Revisit your workspace setup regularly and make adjustments as your needs evolve. Listen to your body for signs of discomfort, and don't hesitate to tweak your chair, monitor, or movement habits. Small, ongoing improvements in ergonomics can have big, positive impacts on your comfort, productivity, and long-term health in remote tech work.